이놈들이야.
How are you doing this?
Shut.
Oh!
Meow, 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 meow. Can you believe it? I'm at that stage. Son of a bitch.
Personal space is like not a thing when it comes to my cat. Hey Chris. Yep, same. Same.
Right.
He looks like he's.
Come on, bro. It's not that bad being a chicken.
One more on his hand.
Possibility.
Whoa! Hey, cat.
What are you doing?
Why?
3, 2, 1. Stop it.
I'm meowing.
To a special Lego Town event that's not open to...
Gentle. Hey! Come
What are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
What's wrong? I can't keep petting you. I need to work.
Hey. Oh, okay, period. Oh.
Hey. Hey. Mackie.
The cat's strange expression.
You like it? What? Did you just pull your fist?
Little baby man. Little baby man.
Hey, bestie.
Excuse me, bit.
Sembra che vinci da 3.
Look at this belly. It's so chunky. I'm so sorry.
David, you take for me.
Lizzie.
Stand up and be a fucking man. Fuck that, Troy. I'm out.
Yeah. I love you.
It does not smell that bad, bro. You're tripping.
Hey. Hey.
Hey.
Luke, no. Oh my God.
Yes, I'm talking to you. You're gonna break it. Oh my God.
Okay.
No te preocupes, los gatos siempre caen. ¿Cara?
Can you just hold it? There we go. Thanks, bud.
Dimitri could have died, but that's the rest of their own business, right?
Hey, Barbie.
Oh, Sally, I need to work.
And the other Mary, and the other Mary, and the other Mary. Where are you doing?
So here, we're gonna bring the palms back and release. If you're in a
Спасибо, моя кися. Come on.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ma'am.
What? I'm catching you like this.
A 50 pizza!
I love you. You love me.
Charles, you do not have to stand here.
Oh, Gypsy.
Be at home
one that Santa gave you a few weeks ago.
Stop, Bobby. I'm gonna.
Measure that for me, mate. Lovely stuff.
No, no, chica.
It's not that serious.
Got lots of hot dogs.
Oh my god, it's so cool. You see that? Oh, brother, look at that. Oh, you see how he had his arm though?
这都不行。
那个不行。
I was.
Yeah.
Pretty.
Lucius, come on. Lucius, come on. Come on, come here.
You're a jerk.
I'm gonna need a warm blankie and a cup of hot chocolate.
All I want to do is look at you and kiss your face, okay? Симба, принеси туалетную бумагу.
Jerk.
Here it comes.
No.
Got him, my boy.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
This. In ancient times, white cats were considered a symbol of wealth and good fortune. In England, people believed they brought money, and in Japan, that they protected against evil spirits. So if you
Watch it again!
Ripley.
Many white cats are born deaf. They've never heard their mother purr, or their owners call their names. Even their own meow remains a mystery to them. And those who are born with hearing
You're gonna fall.
Get your tongue off my door. Get it off my door.
The Super Motocross World Championship season is
She?
Okay. Hold on. So obviously Stop it. No, it's okay.